is fiercely all in everything that she does. She's reflective. She adjusts her teaching to the needs of every student that she has. She has endless empathy for the families of Pace, and because she's homegrown, her community is everything to her, not just her JRE students. She volunteers in the community, and she, again, is all in. She loves everybody and leaves them better than she finds them. The way she just touches everybody's life that she comes across, she is just a beautiful soul. And she leaves JRE better than she found it every day.